We're all facing many crossroads in life. There's enormous change in this great river on the planet. And it's normal to need guidance sometimes to affirm your own spiritual practice and to strengthen and affirm your own intuition. And if you're having trouble doing that, then I love to teach you and coach you and affirm you on that path. I'm a clairvoyant medium, astrologer, and author of 2 books, including A Little Bit of Intuition and Vibes from the Other Side. I would really love to help empower you to make good choices, to navigate for a better future, to remember we're all in this together somehow, and to navigate the unknown with grace.